here I am in Lima, Ohio, stuck waiting for a train. Pulled up to a stop just past where I wanted to go. Sat for a minute, changed its mind, and now they're heading back the way they came. Perhaps they left something behind, you know. Don't you hate when you do that? You get in the car, you drive a few blocks, and you realize you left your sunglasses on the desk or something. Well, I suppose that can happen to a railroad engineer as much as to anyone else. So we get to enjoy Indiana and Ohio Railroad. There they go, backing up and opening up traffic again. A lot of happy people now, including yours truly. I'll be able to turn left just as soon as the traffic gods permit. Figure you guys can enjoy the satisfying crossing of the tracks with me. Ah, that felt good.